Hope I'm saying your name right. Leanza, you know how to make some sauce. Okay? Now, one thing for sure, I'm addicted. I've been putting this sauce on everything. Chicken, pork chops, you name it. Yo, this sauce so good. Like, this is giving big back energy. Okay? And I've been having this for like 3 weeks. It's so good. Like, I thought I was tripping because you know how y'all overhype stuff on TikTok. But, this is true. And what I like about it, it's not that like sweet sauce. I hate when it's like super sweet. It's just right, y'all. It is just right. One more time. Okay.